No, that's a great point. It's funny because he ran in 2016, and it's just like was completely off my radar about running again.
Right.
And I don't know why. I mean, I've seen him in a couple of things, and maybe it's just because. And now you want superficial? Maybe it's just his facial hair.
When's the last president that we had with facial hair? But yeah, it's. I honestly believe that there are a number that look. The obvious Rick DeSantis. If a Carrie Lake, whether she wins or not,
You say Rick?
oh, Ron DeSantis. Did I say Rick DeSantis?
I thought it was Simpson.
Yeah.
You're Rick.
Because, you know who I was thinking of? I was thinking of Rick Santorum for some reason. Because I'm trying to go through my list of the former hats that were thrown in. And I
could be going from the infomercials to...
I think probably no. I think it will be, it will consist of people, I think, that are serving right now or who recently stepped out of their office. I think Romney is a distinct possibility. I think he could be the Liz Cheney of that run if Trump is running. Because the moment he used Trump for endorsements, the moment he got into office in Utah, boom, turned the other direction. And I can see him on a debate stage. Wanting to get on the debate stage with Trump could drive him, because I don't think he's long for the Senate. And that's not really age related. I just don't see it. But I could see him running in 24, maybe for that reason.
All right, if Trump decides not to run, and DeSantis decides to run, does anybody else challenge it? Who would challenge? Who would jump in if it was DeSantis?
I think you'd have a few, but I think right now you might still have
Liz Cheney.
Yeah, right. You still might have Pence. You still might have.
No, you're right. No, you're right. You might have.
Yeah.
You might have.
I think Pompeo is grooming right
that's
now.
true. I forgot about Pompeo.
Yeah.
See, I completely forgot about Pompeo.
Yeah. I think he's setting it up right now, and if you look at everything, he's trying to make everything into a Hallmark card on his pictures. That's one indication, and it looks great, by the way. And the weight loss thing is all right. That's great, but there's no buzz around Pompeo. But I think he is planning on running. And keep in mind, I think a lot of that is, look, I may not get the nomination, but I could get consideration for the Veep slot. I don't know how much that is in play with any of the aforementioned individuals, but I think that's part of it.
866-90 Red Eye.
Hi, I'm Jed Loomis, a transport safety expert at J.J. Keller, and I'm here to share a tip on transport security. Trailer seals are often used to deter theft and maintain cargo security. Typically, trailer seals fall into two categories: indicative seals and barrier seals. Indicative seals are made for one-time use and let the driver or shipper know if cargo has been disturbed, but they are not strong enough to prevent tampering with cargo. Barrier seals are meant to prevent intrusion and often require bolt or cable cutters to remove. Before the seal is removed at the receiver, the driver may be asked for identification and a bill of lading or shipping papers. The driver and the receiver should match the bill of lading or other load-related numbers and paperwork, inspect the seals, and match the numbers with corresponding documentation. Once the paperwork is verified, then the security seal can be broken and the shipment unloaded. You should supervise the unloading process and report any discrepancies to your company as soon as possible. This tip was brought to you by J.J. Keller & Associates. Visit us at jjkeller.com.
This report is brought to you by Pilot Flying J and by Shell Rotella.
Get in touch with Red Eye Radio, toll free at 866-90-RED-EYE.
Earn personalized savings on commercial truck insurance with Smart Haul from Progressive. Learn more at progressivecommercial.com. Not available in all states or situations.
It's the most wonderful time of the year for pro drivers when you activate Push for Points in the My Rewards Plus app. Earn more loyalty points faster with every diesel fill-up and redeem your extra points on great gifts for your loved ones. Activate Push for Points and earn up to 4 points per gallon after just 6 fills instead of 15 fills like the other guys. Download the My Rewards Plus app and activate Push for Points today. Only at Pilot Flying J. See pilotflyingj.com/terms and conditions for My Rewards Plus terms and conditions.
If you're a trucking industry professional, then you need to stay on top of changing regulations, equipment upgrades, and technology advancements. Fleet Owner Magazine gives you all of this and more. Written for fleet executives and managers, Fleet Owner gives you the business intelligence on operations, vehicle maintenance, regulations, and information technology you need to stay ahead. But that's not all. With its monthly print publication, daily and weekly email newsletters, and a website updated several times a day, Fleet Owner has all the latest news and information delivered to you when you want it and where you want it. From industry experts to award-winning writers and columnists, Fleet Owner is the #1 source for trucking information in North America. Remember to visit fleetowner.com every day for the latest industry news. You can also sign up to receive Newsline, their free email newsletter, and subscribe to Fleet Owner Magazine. Visit fleetowner.com. Fleet Owner, for news you can use.
The St. Christopher Truckers Relief Fund invites all over-the-road Class A CDL holders to join our smoking cessation program, Rigs Without Cigs. Participants receive tools to assist in quitting, along with support and accountability from the program manager and others in the program. Incentive packages are offered by the Road Pro family of brands for all who stop using tobacco through the Rigs Without Cigs program. Go to truckersfund.org under the Health and Wellness tab and sign up for Rigs Without Cigs.
The Employment Lawyers Group represents employees in cases of unpaid wages, wrongful termination, sexual harassment, and employment discrimination. They only get paid if they recover money from the employer. Call 877-525-0700 for a winning law firm. 877-525-0700. That's 877-525-0700. Or go to employeelawca.com. That's employeelawca.com.
Love your smile again with 4M.
Have you stopped smiling, eating the foods you love, or going out with friends because you're embarrassed of your teeth? It's time to stop your teeth from ruling your life. Come to 4M Dental Implant Center and take back your joy. Take back your life. We've helped thousands of people live happier lives with a beautiful new smile, and we can help you too. You'll get all the individual attention you deserve, and our state-of-the-art facilities ensure you the highest quality. You could even get a totally free consultation, complete with x-rays and a CAT scan, so you have absolutely no reason not to call. You can be happy again. You can enjoy all of your favorite foods again. You can go out with friends and have fun again. Love your smile again at 4M. Make the call to 844-4M Dental today.
Netflix, Amazon Prime, HBO, Showtime. How many streaming services are you paying for? Better question, how many do you actually watch? Odds are you're paying for subscriptions you're not using. Why? Because getting out of subscriptions often feels like more trouble than it's worth. Not anymore. Just download the Rocket Money app. Rocket Money is the #1 subscription tracker, manager, and canceller all in one. Connect your accounts and instantly you'll see a complete picture of all your recurring subscriptions in one easy-to-use interface. Rocket Money organizes your subscriptions by due date and notifies you when something is coming up. Now, instead of waiting on hold for the better part of an hour while you connect to a customer service representative, cancel that subscription immediately with a tap right from the app, and Rocket Money will handle the rest. To find out more about all the awesome personal finance features packed into Rocket Money, go to rocketmoney.com/music to download today. Or download the Rocket Money app from the Apple App or Google Play stores. Rocket Money, the money app that works for you.
Friday Radio, he is Eric Hurley, and I'm Gary McNamara, 866-90 Red Eye, if you would like to get in. So, interesting week ahead. You get to next Tuesday, it's going to be really interesting to see what